When you think you're going slow in bed with her, go slower. Hey guys, I'm Stephanie Ganowski, sexologist and sex coach for men. I've been working with men specifically for 6+ years now, helping them with their dick-related issues and also their sex communication issues with their female partners. I am reminding you guys, because it's probably a reminder, you've probably heard of this before, that you want to go slow with your female partner in bed. A lot of guys don't realize how slow we actually prefer it. The majority of the time, not all the time, but the majority of the time. And this is something a client of mine yesterday reminded me of, because he's like, ever since you told me that, like, if you think you're going slow, go slower. My wife has been so much more verbal about how amazing our sex is and how much she enjoys it. And it's crazy. He was saying it's crazy that I've never slow down this much because I didn't think I would enjoy it. And I also didn't think she wanted it that slow, but neither of us really knew. And that's the thing. I don't even think most women know that slowing down, not only the whole process of sex, like I said, but also the sex itself, the thrusting itself, also the breathing, the touching, the licking, the caressing makes the experience more sexy, more pleasurable, more passionate. And really quick before we continue on, are you struggling with sex performance anxiety, dick-related issues? I'm giving away a free week of my sex meditations. I developed this app to help men have a healthier relationship with masturbation. They can bring what they learn using these meditations with masturbation into their sex lives with their partner so they could feel more confident, they could feel like everything's functioning better down there, and they could also feel free from relying on porn. So if you want to see if sex meditations help you, then go ahead and get your free 1-week trial at meditations.supercast.com. Back to the video. And it also gives you time to be more present. Because as the guy, a lot of you guys have performance anxiety, or you're just worried about performing. And maybe you're not even worried. You're just like, I know I have to perform. I have to make sure I'm this hard. You know, when you're thinking about performance stuff, when really if you slowed everything down, you wouldn't feel any sense of rushing. You wouldn't feel any sense of like, oh man, I hope this is going to work. I hope blah, blah, blah. Like you wouldn't overthink things as much. This allows you to be more confident with your next moves because you are slowing down the pace so much. This helps your female partner feel physically a lot better. She's more likely to reach an orgasm. She's more likely to reach a vaginal orgasm because going very slowly with vaginal penetration is more likely to hit her clitoris the right way to the point where she can even orgasm, even if it's rare for her. Give this a shot. If you usually go fast, if you're usually having quickies or doing doggy really quickly, or everything is just, you know, it's a little too sped up, slow down. And if you think you're going slow, go slower. I hope this is helpful. I'll see you in the next video.